Hi guys, welcome to Ortegas Land, Ortegas S. Welcome here near CCF Main, and I don't know that building. Just walking around Central Avenue and Office Lane. Just walking around guys. Mga bus ng guys, so Brent International School, Manila. Nice pala dito guys. Nice ang mga tower Yes guys, here in Ortegas Land near Tindisitas. Ganda dito guys, maraming trees. Hilig ko talaga yung maraming trees guys. Yan na guys, dito na tayo sa Tindisitas. Tindisitas here. Pero pupunta ako sa SM. May bibilin lang ako guys. Thank you for watching. There guys, malapit sa C5. Malapit sa C5 guys. Oh, StarTech. Okay, ito Tindisitas na guys. Here, Tindisitas here. Thank you for watching. Ayan guys, Decathlon, Tindisitas. Ay, pupunta pala ako ng Mr. DIY. Yes! Later I will go to DIY. Yes! Nice! Galing na mga building Teleperformance. Pare-parehang kulay Ganda naman ng kulay Wait lang guys There you got it. Tindisitas. Ayos. Dito pala ang Tindisitas guys Ayos. Thank you. Very nice parking. Akyat tayo sa taas. May parking pa sila ng bicycle Ang galing Wow. Bicycle parking only. Wow, galing naman. Akyat tayo sa third floor siguro Yun na ang SM. Yes. Ayun yung SM. Thank you for watching guys.